Hey everybody, I'm sorry I couldn't be there today, but I know you guys are going to be super awesome for our substitute. Since it's November and we live in Texas, I thought we'd make some space turkeys today. Where was the best place for a turkey to go if they were escaping Thanksgiving? Well, outer space sounds great. Everyone's going to need a white, yellow, or pink crayon to draw with. Please make sure you draw your turkey nice and big. The first thing we're going to draw together is the turkey's head. You're going to draw a curved line, kind of like a tall rainbow, at the top of your paper. Now the neck can be skinnier than the top of the head, or it can be the same width. Next, you're going to draw the eye. You can draw it closed with a little upside down U, or you can make it open, it's your choice. Then we're going to draw the little flappy part, the gobble gobble of the turkey, and a triangle for the beak. After you finish your beak, you're going to make the little flappy part that shakes around when the turkey goes gobble gobble gobble. It's just a bit of wavy lines. Next, we're going to draw our space helmet. First, you're going to draw the base of the helmet that meets at the turkey's neck. It's just going to be a straight line that about goes from the end of the beak to the other side of his head. Then you're going to turn that line into a rectangle. That's the part that locks into his bodysuit. After you finish the rectangle, you are going to make the helmet over the turkey's head. Be sure you go all the way around the head and don't cut through his beak. It can be as big as you want. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but you can go back and fix it if you need to. You're going to want to add a curved rectangle. This is kind of like a highlight on the glass of his helmet and makes it look a little more 3D. You can color that part in white now or later. Okay guys, now it's time to draw the turkey's belly. You're going to make a big U-shaped, make sure he's nice and fat for Thanksgiving. Okay guys, what are we missing now? We've got head, we've got belly. How about feet and wings? To make the legs, you're going to make a couple of lines for one leg and 2 lines for the second leg. Then you can add some pointy toes for the feet. The quick, simple zigzag lines. The next body part we need for our turkey is his wings. So you are going to come inside the belly and you are going to draw your wings and feathers like he's hugging himself to keep his wings close. Just a diagonal line and a couple of curved lines, 2 or 3, 4, whatever you like. Now's a good time that you could add some decorations to your suit. You don't want to add too many, but my turkey had to patch together this suit so he could fly off into space. So I'm putting some square patches in his suit to show that he pieced it together, and maybe a heart or something like that somewhere. Now it's time to draw the tail feathers. Now these are going to be really big and probably go off my paper. So I'm just going to start in the middle of his body and make big loops around going up. You don't have to go off the paper, but it looks really good if you do. So I'm just going to keep going all the way around my turkey. And I'm going to go ahead and go over to this side and match the feathers on the other side. Remember, does your drawing have to look like my drawing? No. Does it have to be exactly like mine and hang off the paper? No. Have fun with it. Okay, so we've got a turkey in a spacesuit. Now we need to show he's in space. Let's start by drawing a planet at the bottom of our paper. Now, is this planet going to be Earth? Is it going to be a planet you made up? Is it going to be Saturn? You get to pick. You can draw land and water on your planet, whatever you want to do. Last for my turkey, I'm going to draw one of those oxygen cables, and I'm just going to make it go off the page. Now, if you want to, you could draw a rocket ship, a little one, in the distance that's connected to that cable for the turkey. It's up to you. It's your artwork. Or maybe he's connected to an alien ship. The last part of your job is to color your artwork. No scribbling. Color as neatly as you can. You're going to color your planet, your turkey, maybe draw some stars in the sky. Up to you. Stars can be dots, or if you watch, you can make little X's to make your stars. Have fun with it. Use lots of colors. You can use a different color to draw the structures of your feathers. So it would be a line down the middle and some diagonal lines. Let's speed this up with movie magic. When you are finished, please put your name on the back and your class code. Your sub will give you your class code and turn it in to your teacher's desk. See you guys next week. I can't wait to see your art.